Air fryers have been on the market for more than a decade, and they've become a must-have for many home cooks. They're beloved for mimicking the results of deep frying without all the oil, and it's all thanks to their cooking mechanism. Unlike toaster ovens, which cook your food using a single heating element at the top or bottom of the machine, air fryers are essentially countertop convection ovens that cook your food from all angles, using a heating element and powerful fan. Some air fryers are bare-bones convection ovens, while others come with extra bells and whistles that allow you to dehydrate food or proof baked goods. We've tested more than 24 air fryers over the years to determine which models are the best on the market at any given time. If you're looking for the best air fryer for your kitchen, this guide can help you determine which style air fryer is right for you, so you can get cooking. There are many options for accessible air fryer, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I guided a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top cheap air fryer from faithful manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following expansive investigation, I invented that these products are quite favorable for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, make sure to check my description. So without any more delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall. Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer. We already love the Instant Pot, so it's no surprise that Instant Brands churned out another winning product with the Instant Vortex. During our tests, we found this air fryer cooked with more power than the others, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although it's no louder than a microwave. We also love the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken. The interface on the Instant Vortex is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. It also has a sleek angular look that you won't mind seeing on your countertop every day. Number 2. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer. If you're looking for a powerful air fryer and insist on a dehydrate function, the Instant Vortex Plus is for you. Like our favorite Instant Vortex, the Plus model is designed with a roomy basket and a sleek exterior. The interface on the Instant Vortex Plus is also very user-friendly with a touchscreen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. We found the dehydrate function perfectly dried fresh strawberries, and we could see it working well on other produce. The one downside of the model is the broil function, which is preset at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. We tested out broiling mac and cheese topped with extra cheese and breadcrumbs, and found that neither browned particularly well. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This is a mid-sized to small machine with a digital interface. It's an intuitive machine with 11 preset functions including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat and warm. The rack levels are printed right on the door for ease of use. This model does a preheat cycle for most settings, which is an additional step and takes a few extra minutes, but it adds a level of precision in the cooking not seen in many of the other machines. This did every task perfectly and in a short amount of time. It has a spring-loaded door, which takes a minute to get used to, but then is a nice feature. Comes with a 13-inch non-stick pizza tray, wire rack, broiling rack, 11x13 enamel roasting pan, air-fried basket and crumb tray, and has additional accessories for purchase. Bamboo cutting board, pizza stone and pizza crisper pan. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 8-quart DualZone air fryer. If you're already an air fryer convert, then you know how diverse they are. Perhaps it's time to take it to the next level. Enter the slim-profiled Ninja Foodi with its double 4-quart baskets. Take advantage of Foodi's Smart Finish feature. Finish 2 different foods cooking at different times, and temps at the same time. Think chicken breasts and french fries. They did great in our tests. Or the match cook setting for larger amounts of the same food, or cook different foods using the same function, temperature and time. The Foodi also dehydrates in addition to broil, bake and roast. Number 5. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. This model is sturdy, compact and feels like it's made of quality materials, a boon when a lot of air fryer models can feel like they're made of flimsy plastic that gets too hot to touch. At 4 quarts, this model is the ideal size for cooking for 2 people, and cooked all the foods we tested to a beautiful golden brown, and with crisp texture. Its handy, multi-function display gives it a more functional appearance than that of a futuristic robot. Plus, you can dehydrate with this model, which slows the heated air that circulates around the food, so it gradually dries out kale, apple slices and more for healthy fruit and veggie chips and other dehydrated foods. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.